You want to remove the watermark on our Meta AI videos. A lot of my subscribers requested for this video, and I went on a research and I discovered that we can literally use this, okay, to remove the watermark. But then there is how to use it, okay. It's not just downloading it. So let me show you how to get it done. I quickly had to put out this video, okay, and record it for you because I feel like it was so urgent. Yeah, so let's proceed. So once you type in this, make sure it is this, okay. Make sure the name is correct, because if it's not the same, it will not work. It's not all video downloader that works, okay. Make sure it is this particular one. So ensure that you open this up. So we are going to add this to our Chrome browser, like you're going to be seeing in this video. So follow it step by step and let's get this done. I'm going to add to Chrome browser, okay. Follow it step by step, then accept this, add extensions, because we are using this extension to remove the watermark on our videos using Meta AI. All right, so it's loading. Once it's done, it will be added up to our extensions, just like these other ones here. So what you need to do is you can close this browser. We don't need it anymore at this point. So it's added, right, like you're seeing here. So we need to head over to our Meta AI. Let's generate a video and illustrate how to remove watermark. So very quickly, if you are very familiar with this platform, the measures changed, okay. Every time you generate a video and you download it, you're going to see a watermark. Let's download this one video and let's see if it has a watermark, and if it has, I will show you how to remove it, okay. So I want to hit here one of these videos that I generated. I'm going to hit download and I'll wait for it to finish downloading. I'll open it up. If there is watermark, I will illustrate it here, but if there is no watermark, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. And if you follow this step, you're going to get it done. Please come back to the comments of this video, okay. Come back under the comments of this video and tell me that it is working. As at the time I'm making this video, this particular extension is working, so hop on it and use it. I don't know about the future, but for now, it's the moment to add it to your Chrome browser. Please scroll down. You're going to see it somewhere here. It's going to be here, okay. If it's not here, that means you've not downloaded it well. Great. You're going to have an interface like this, okay. So let's say this interface is, this is how my own is, okay. Yours might not be like this because all these videos are the number of videos that are here, okay. So if I play it, you see that it's a number of videos that are here. All right, so if you play it, you will not have the watermark here, okay. So from here, download it from here. Why it is showing all these videos is because I have all of these videos here, okay. All these videos are here. Do you understand? So for us to remove the watermark, you come here and open that our extension, the extension, okay, we installed. Now for example, you open it and it feels this way. Don't panic. It is one of the common problem that we face, okay. What you need to do is close it again, okay, and open it again. Then if it's still open and it's not loading up, don't panic still. What you need to do is refresh this page, okay. Once you refresh this page, it's going to open up just like you saw before. I needed you to see the challenges so that when you face it, you will not come back and say no, it's not working. So in case it shows up this way, it's a common issues that you'll be facing, okay. So then we are here, right? So go ahead and open up the extension again. Now watch, you see everything has been displayed just like, you know, we wanted. So for us to know the exact video we need to remove the watermark, you need to play them, okay. This is the video, right? So we are going to go ahead and download it from here. Click here and download. I'm going to show you that this video do not have watermark. So this is how to remove watermark from your videos downloaded using Meta AI. So I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you've watched to this time, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and drop me a nice comment so that YouTube can push it to more people. And guys, until then, let's play for you to see. No watermark. So from here, I'll open it up so that you see it yourself. I want that exact picture so that you will not doubt this. So but this is how you use, okay. I have a lot of pictures here, so if I keep doing this and I download it from here, I will not have any watermark. So do it. Come to the comment section and let me know what you think about this, guys. See you in the next one. This one should go out today.